What sort of person do you want to employ in a sales role? Traditionally, we look for someone with the gift of the gab who could knock on doors, make cold calls, make things happen, create opportunities. But do we really want that person today? We live in a world where 94% of purchase journeys start online, and customers are taking themselves over halfway through the purchase before they ever get in touch with your company. Salespeople have always had to be where the customers and prospects are. And today that's increasingly on the World Wide Web. Today we need salespeople that can build their reputation online. We need salespeople that can spot opportunities using things like social media monitoring software, that can create relationships using emails on LinkedIn, develop using email or even WhatsApp messaging. We need salespeople that can build credibility for both themselves and the company remotely. This is quite a different set of skills from ones that we traditionally employed salespeople for. Of course, we still need salespeople that can get on with others, that can present in meetings, that can create good impressions. But actually, a salesperson would often have to create an amazing impression from cold, whereas today they would have built a reputation for themselves online before they ever get in front of that prospect. Does your salesperson come across well on a video call? Can they write well and not just speak well? These are the sort of questions you need to ask today. Of course, in many business-to-business environments, we still require salespeople. Many companies are still selling solutions that need face-to-face interaction and personal interaction before they're going to be purchased. But the profile of those salespeople and what we need them to possess, qualities and characteristics, are fundamentally changing. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment box. And to receive regular marketing updates, hit subscribe.